Concept of cross product. Explain why b dot a cross b equals to 0 and a dot a cross b is also equal to 0. So let's explore that, right? So we had been talking about a cross b, and now we know that a cross b actually results into a vector which is normal to both a and b, right? So if I have vector a, let us say here as vector a, and vector b, let's say this is my vector b, in that case a cross b will be a vector which is going to be perpendicular to both of them, like this, coming outwards, right? So it is going to be perpendicular to both of these vectors. So that is what a cross b is, right? So here we have vector a, and this is our vector b, and that is vector a cross b, perpendicular to both, in fact perpendicular to this plane on which I am writing these two vectors. Now if I do a dot of a cross b, this is a cross b, right? If I do a dot of a cross b, then since they have 90 degrees angle, it has to be 0. Do you see that? Same is the case with b dot of a cross b. It is also at 90 degrees angle. Do you see that? And therefore it has to be 0. Correct? So that is how we explain that why vector b dot a cross b is equal to 0, right? Now it is important for you to understand that whenever we write vector b dot a cross b, then it is understood that a cross b will be performed first and then the dot product. Can you tell me why? If you do dot product first, then what do you get? You get a scalar quantity, and you can't do scalar cross vector. Do you see that? For a cross product you need both vectors, right? Even for dot product you need both vectors. Therefore vector product or the cross product is going to be performed first and then the dot product. So remember that also, okay? Thank you.